Hi everyone, Melissa here from Mo Creations, coming on today with hashtag 2Crafters1Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and you see why I'm a diva. Each week we bring you a theme. This week's theme is spring. Next week's theme will be to use vellum. And each week we also enter our projects into hashtag Satmore which is hosted by Norwood. And I'll have the ladies' links down below. So this week I am using these little gems I picked up from Hobby Lobby, and I just poured them right in this little container. I'm also using this butterfly plate, which is from My Creative Time. I'm using this die here, Jillian Vance's site, to pick this up. Right now she has 70% off. Not sure if this is still in her store or not, but could be. I'm also using the word spring, which is from the Greetery. Thanks so much, Lady Crease. He sent that to me as a gift, and I was so happy to use that once again. And then from Gina Marie Designs, I'm using this card here. This die here. And here goes my card. This was such a simple card to use because of that background die. It was just perfect. I love it. Anyways, I did add that spring right in the middle. I thought it just spoke spring to me with those butterflies. And then in the inside of these little flower centers, I just cut it out and used Copics to just kind of add some color. And I also colored with the Copics going around too to add the color. And then I also inked up the butterflies. But I absolutely love how that turned out. There goes the inside. Just perfect. I love, love, love that we are going to be soon entering into spring. And that was perfect for the season that is coming. All right, so that's about it. That's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone, for stopping by. If you have the time, make sure you enter in our collabs. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.